Meaning of Henry Wadsworth Longfellow.
Henry Wadsworth Longfellow.
Henry Wadsworth Longfellow.
Henry Wadsworth Longfellow.
Henry Wadsworth Longfellow. Henry Wadsworth Longfellow was an American poet and educator who lived from 1807 to 1882. He is well known for his poetry, which often celebrated American culture and history, as well as for his translations of foreign literature. Some of his most famous works include Paul Revere's Ride and The Song of Hiawatha. Longfellow was also a professor at Harvard University and played a significant role in shaping the literary culture of the United States. Overall, he is widely regarded as one of the most important figures in American literature.